Leetcode weekly context 464 Q1 GCD great common divisor of odd and even numbers. First of all, we know that the sum of numbers from n from 1 to n is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Then the sum of the first n even numbers will be n times n plus 1. Then the sum of first n odd numbers, which is 1 less than, we do know that every odd number is 1 less than each even number. So the sum of that n odd number will be n less than the sum of even numbers, which is n times n plus 1 minus n, which is n squared. So if we check these two numbers, obviously n is the greatest common divisor.